Roof finishing, preparing the supports. This brings you to the final stage of the entire installation. Depending on the design, the MyRoof system can be installed as an island, combined with another type of roofing, or it can cover the entire roof surface with panels. To cover the entire roofing with the MyRoof system, it will be necessary to properly prepare the outermost edges of the roof. Start by attaching short counterbattens at the upper edge and the lower edge of the roof. Place them as an extension of all the support profiles. The counterbattens should be a length corresponding to the width of 2 battens. In the upper of the roof, use 2 25mm thick counterbattens overlapping each other. Between them, place an additional membrane extending beyond the ridge. Then fix 2 battens on the upper edge and the lower edge of the roof, each side by side. Nail them into the previously prepared counterbattens. Finish installing the wooden supports by adding counterbattens at the side edges of the roof. Line all the wooden supports from above with an adhesive foam tape. You have just finished the wooden support stage. The support should be as high as the aluminum brackets. When using battens and counterbattens, make sure that their height is correct. Let's now move on to installing the aluminum support profiles that will support the inactive panels. Start by attaching an aluminum tape to the battens. Install at the lower edge and the upper edge of the roof, but always on the inner side of the batten. This tape is intended to connect all the elements of the substructure, allowing them to be properly earthed. Fasten the tape using a wood screw. Fix it by aligning with the upper edge of the batten. Interconnect sections of the tape with an overlap, which should be placed under the profile catch. Then prepare the support profile and the profile catch seated on its end. Add the support clamp between the profile and the bracket. The support profile should be pre-cut to a suitable length beforehand. Add the profile to the bracket wall and push it downwards to the target position. The upper edge of the support profile must be flush with the upper edge of the batten, to which the profile adheres. Finish the installation by screwing on the brackets. Use the screws. Repeat the procedure for each bracket on both the ridge side and eave side. In this way, you can obtain ready supports for the inactive panels. The last thing to do is secure the ventilation gap. To do this, we use the bird protection grill.